Good morning and welcome to Friday Wrap Up with Bradbury Garner Real Estate. I'm Tiffany Rivenbark. I'm here with Sharon Garner and we have Jared Bell with us today from Cape Home Inspections, and he's here to talk to us about some of his services.
Good morning, everyone.
Yep.
Jared, thank you for meeting with us this morning. Tell us a little bit about why you like what you're doing and what got you into this.
Okay. Yeah. So I'd say some failed construction projects in the past really got me into looking into how houses were built, the construction process, and I really kind of fell in love with it, honestly. And really, I love being able to help people get into a home, finding out more about their home, and just being able to make informed decisions. So,
Tell us a little bit about what separates you from probably the average home inspector.
yeah, so one of the biggest things that we do is we include videos in our reports that will actually explain defects. Also, I like to actually have people along with me while I'm on the inspection. So if our clients can join us,
That's nice.
we can actually walk them through issues, and it kind of helps dissuade fears over minor defects that may otherwise look worse in a report than they really are. So we also do thermal on every inspection, and we'll also do drone, just in case we can't walk on a roof.
So kind of explain what thermal means, just in case someone out here doesn't know what
Yeah,
thermal
so
means.
thermal, so what we're looking for is different heat signatures in walls. So we can kind of see if there's a colder spot inside of a wall, we can maybe tell maybe there's moisture, maybe there's a leak in the wall right there. Or if it's a hotter part of the wall, we can tell maybe the insulation's missing. So it's not really X-ray vision, but we can see more than we could see with a naked eye.
Oh, wow.
So
That's good. And I think the drone thing, especially on a roof that you can't get on, I
Right.
think that's pretty nice to have that feature also.
yeah.
Is there
Absolutely.
anything else that you think is really important about what you're doing and some of the things that you may have found?
I think it's more about being able to teach our clients more about their properties and what to look for when they move into their home, what kind of maintenance they can do on their home, just to make sure they keep everything up to date. So I feel like that's the biggest part of it, is being able to teach our clients. So.
I think that's really important too, also, because a lot of times people don't, they don't know that home. They don't know what's been going on with that home. So I think
Right.
I think that's a good thing. Well, Jared, thank you so much for meeting with us today, and
Yeah, thank
tell
you.
everyone how they can get in touch with you.
Okay. Yep. So you can go to our website. It's capehi.com. You can also give us a call, 252-648-6885. Or you can send me an email. It's jbell@capehi.com.
You guys, thank you for joining us this morning with Friday Wrap Up. Have a great day.
Have a good weekend.